In this video, I'll be showing you how to install GameBar in Windows 11 or 10. It's a very simple method, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using like a PC or laptop. So by default, GameBar is actually going to be automatically installed on your device. So if you go over to your settings, so right click your Windows icon, then just go over to settings and then just wait for it to open up. Then go over to gaming on the left, and you're going to see Game Bar as one of the options. Now, you can get help with Game Bar, but you can also toggle all these shortcuts or anything like that. If you don't see it, however, then all you're going to do is go over to your Microsoft Store, and then just go ahead and search up the Game Bar, and then download it for completely free. You can even do it on the browser version as well to download on your device locally. Now, all you got to go ahead and do is if I just type in Game Bar, or let's just type it in right now. As you can see, Game Bar is right there. All I gotta do is now open it, and then it opens up the Game Bar for me, and I can, open up the widget menu or anything like that as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.